Okay, to put on the water, one here, and this one. Yeah. Ready? Can you try? Yeah, try. Yeah.
We're gonna outrigger today. Yeah, here we are in Ua Pou, borrowing an outrigger today.
Outriggering.
Look at these outriggers, actually tied them together. And there's the boat over there. Yep. Dylan? Hey. So, let's do this. I think we should try to catch a swell wave.
Yeah.
Ah! Built-in security. This has been really fun. Just tie it together. They taught us how to tie the two together and said that, yeah, you do need more stability, so we're gonna tie you together like kids.
Like the children.
But I think we're having as much fun as children would.
Yeah, probably more fun.
That was pretty awesome.
That was great.
A bunch of rounds on the Outrigger canoe today, and we even were able to kind of catch swell, but we weren't going to catch a wave because it's really
yeah, not ours. We'd probably crash. We'll wait until we get our own to crash it.
Thank you, Ua Pou.
Thank you. Woo!